expensive, you know that?
I'm high maintenance a little bit, but not in a negative way. I just like extremely expensive things.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Peyton, better known as Peytonissa, and if you don't know me, get to know me, y'all. It's spring. I did promise y'all I would be coming back in springtime or sometime around this time. If you're new here, I took a break from YouTube. If you're returning, you can see the queen is back. Y'all, I'm back and I'm better, okay? As you can see, my maintenance is done, so it kind of defeats the purpose. But I did have to come and redo my intro because I don't know what I did with the footage. So I'm redoing my intro. I wanted to say thank y'all for growing my platform so fast, because y'all really did grow my platform super duper fast. And I also want to say thank y'all so much for getting me monetized. Like, I did expect it. I love y'all. I still don't have a name for y'all yet, but I'm so excited to make so much new content for y'all because I have a lot of content in the woodworks. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you want to see anything special, let me know. If you want any links to hairstylists or products in the video, always check my description. I will talk more about it sooner or later. But without further ado, let's get into this maintenance vlog. Okay, y'all, so it is currently the day before my hair appointment, and I just had to jump in here because I don't even think I told y'all what I was getting. So I'm getting a water wave wig. It's gonna be one braid over the top. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing that because I've never gotten that style, and I feel like just around spring I always get water wave, deep wave, super cute. And then for my nails, I'm gonna get just some blue. Obviously, I'm wearing a blue outfit. So yeah, my nails are kind of gonna match that. I need them to like be hand in hand. Very cute. As y'all can tell right now, my hair is not done. I have nothing done. I'm not gonna get my lashes done. I've never got my lashes done. So that's just not gonna happen. All my service providers will be in my description. So if you're interested in booking with them or anything, make sure to check that link in my description. It's gorgeous. So it was much colder when I first went outside. I'm definitely going to change this shirt to like a different black shirt. And I'm going to change my purse too because I really don't need everything that I had in there. So, y'all, I will catch you back. Y'all, I'm finished. She finished my hair. She did a great job. We decided to keep the braids down because, wait, I'm going the wrong way. We decided to keep the braids down because I like it better. Oh yes, we took the stairs. Okay, y'all, so I just got my hair finished and now I'm on my way to two places, Sephora and then Starbucks, depending on how long it takes us to get there because my appointment was a little far away. Okay, y'all, so I just got in the parking lot. We are trying to find Sephora because this mall is a little bit big, but I'm happy to go in here. I'm excited to see what they have. I wanted to get a Sol de Janeiro perfume, but I heard the blue color, Sorry, I'm out of breath. I heard the blue Sol de Janeiro did not smell good, so I don't think I'm gonna grab that one. I do want the pink one though, so if it smells better, I'm gonna grab that one and just take a picture with the blue one for my thumbnail cuteness. Okay, y'all, we're going in right now. But look at this sunlight, like, that looks so cute. Alright, y'all, I'm in the mall. We're just trying to find Sephora now because, like I said, this mall is big for no reason. I do like this mall though. I like two-story malls much better. Yeah, I just drew on a little, they had a little, like, what is that called? Glitter sequence wall. That was so cute. And I'm probably gonna get carried away in here, so we're going straight to it. Oh, look, y'all. Little candy shop. Okay, y'all, so I just found what I was looking for. I was looking for the blue one, and I am gonna get it because it matches my outfit, but I'm not sure how it smells.
Alright, thank you.
It does smell like a manly scent like they said it did, but I still think I might get it. Okay, y'all, I chose this one because it actually does smell the best despite what everybody said.
Give me 1 second to grab your receipt.
Okay, y'all, so finally I just got back to the car. I got my perfume. Everything turned out really well. I actually do like how the perfume smells. As y'all can see, I got the blue one. I feel like I wasn't talking to the camera as much. I'm just really glad to be back on YouTube. I know a lot of people missed me, and I actually miss y'all so much, so I definitely am back. I do want to know though, what content do y'all want to see? What content do y'all want to see? And I feel like this video might feel a little choppy, so if you're seeing like one clip at one time, y'all, I did a lot of different stuff during the day and then at nighttime. I just ordered and I got a birthday cake K-pop. This used to be my favorite thing to order from Starbucks. I haven't gotten it for since. Okay, y'all, I finally made it to the house. After a long maintenance vlog, but a successful maintenance vlog, I'm home and I'm just so excited to be back at the house. But I had a really fun time filming this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to let me know so I can make more content like this. And if you didn't, then give me some pointers, y'all. But yeah, y'all, I had a great time. And like I said in the beginning of this video, thank y'all so much for everything. I would literally not be here without y'all. We're on the road to 5K, but let's get to 3K by the end of March. If we can do that, I might do a giveaway. I might. So yeah, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.